Hey, what's up guys? This is Vishnu from Popstones. Today I am going to unbox the Yu Yureka mobile which has been made by CyanogenMod. Let me show you the features which has been given on the box. Let me focus it. Yes, now you can see it, the features which has been given on the box. It has 2GB RAM, Wi-Fi Bluetooth, and it is 4G lights. It is based on CyanogenMod. I bought this mobile in Amazon for just 9,000 rupees in India. It looks very good. Okay. Now let me open the box. It is quite simple. Let me show you papers just we get. We get no warranty card. It is a user manual. Let me show you. Let me show you the device. It is very lightweight. Let me open it. It is on the back. Wow, it is really great. It looks like an iPhone, but it's not an iPhone. It's a Yu Yureka mobile. It is so thin, and it has moonstone finish with good touching feel, and we have Yu Yureka symbol on back side. The symbol is iridium. Looks like an iPhone only. 3.5mm jack. Nice looking device. Let me keep device by the side and show you the other things which we get by the box. Oh, it is a battery. Well, it is a 2500 mAh battery, not bad, but you can use it. It also has Yu Yureka symbol on the battery. Nice. And we get headphones. I think these headphones are really good. Sorry guys. Wow, it looks great, and it also has Yu Yureka logo on it. It came with buds, and it's a call answer button. Nice. I like the white very much. And we get I also get a screen protection mat for the mobile. Thanks for the Yu Yureka. Now let me open what is there in this other box. It is a wall charge adapter to charge mobile. It has a 1 amp which gives you voltage of 5 volts output. It also has a light to indicate that it's charging on the top. Let me give it a side. And we also get micro USB data transferring wire to your device, and we can use it for charging. We all get this in white color only. Now let me keep the battery in the device. This device comes with 2 SIM slots, and first SIM is for 4G and second SIM is for 3G. And we also have external memory up to 32 gigabytes. Let me put battery in the phone. It fits very good. Now let me close it. Me on it so that guys you can see the logo. Wow, it looks very quite pretty. Let me zoom it so you can see it. Okay, that's fine. Awesome. It says that it is running on CyanogenMod. Wow, it looks very decent and very good looking if you compare to other mobiles. Let's see how much time it will take to boot. I already ordered this mobile to show that the home screen. Micro USB port. It is the lock screen. Let me slide it down to unlock it. is very nice looking, nice icons. You can see the image clarity, valid good, nice icons. Let me show you the version of the device. Show the settings and go to about. It's running on Android 4.4.4 based on CyanogenMod. Nice. And Micromax has promised that it will get lollipop very soon and we get monthly updates. It has made by Micromax, but we have no Micromax logo or name on the device because it has been bought by CyanogenMod. Nice looking. Thank you guys for watching this video and keep updating my channel to get further videos updates, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you guys.